Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Katie. So today I did a pretty colorful yellow, orangey, red eye look here using the Milk Cosmetics Vida palette. That is such pretty packaging. I'm obsessed with their packaging. That's usually how I buy things, is packaging. So it looks like that. Oh, so pretty, and this is what I created with it. If you're wanting to see how I got this look, then continue watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me some feedback, and without further ado, continue watching. Alright, so I have my foundation, eyebrows, face is all powdered. I'm going to get into the eyeshadow right now. I am going to be doing like a yellowy orange red look using the Vida by Milk Cosmetics palette. And it looks like this. So freaking pretty. So I'm going to take this blending brush right here. This is a JH33, my typical brush that I always grab. And I'm going to get into that yellow shade here. And I'm not even going to attempt to pronounce it because I will butcher it. So we're going to take that yellow shade and go to town. I'm kind of using like packing motions to get the color on there. And then when I get to the edge part here, I kind of lightly apply it to make it blend out. Such a pretty color. Alright, now we are going to dip into, I believe, maybe, yeah, this shade right here, this orangey shade. Kind of like a tangerine. And use my color switch here to clean off this brush that I used earlier. This color switch is amazing. Like, I don't know what voodoo this is, but it's amazing. Alright, so I'm going to get into that orange shade and put that into my crease and just deepen up. Using packing motions again. You know, I thought it would be like a brighter orange, but I'm not mad at it. I mean, I'm going to dip into the next shade a little bit darker there. Let's see if that's what I want. So I'm having a little bit of fallout, which is not a big deal. I can get a brush and sweep that away. So I'm going to take some of my Fenty, it's really dirty, Fenty lavender powder and a brush, the JH01, and just put some powder underneath my eye. And that way, whenever I get fallout, it will, I can just sweep it away. I don't know if I even said what brush I'm using, but I'm using the JH40 brush to pack on this orange shade. Okay, now I'm going to go back with my original blending brush that had the yellow on it. Just kind of lightly blend up here. Alright. So I need a gold shade. I think I'm going to use the Naked Honey palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Honey, which is this shade right here, on a flat shading brush. Well, I'm going to try on a flat shading brush, but sometimes it doesn't work out. And, well, let's try it. I'm going to wet it with some Morphe spray. Alright, now I'm going to take my finger, because it's not giving me what I want. Now let's get into the lower lash line, which I am going to use a red shade, which is this one right here. I'm going to take the JH39 brush right here and dip into that red shade and smoke out my lower lash line with that red. And I'm not sure how pigmented this is. I'm going to go back up here this. I'm gonna go back in the honey shade and add more. Do I want eyeliner? That's a good question. Alright, we'll try it. We'll try the eyeliner. Okay, that's really good. Now if I could just replicate that on the other eye, that'd be amazing. Alright, I'm gonna do my mascara like that. I'm gonna use this Milk Makeup Kush mascara. I got a little sample of it in one of my orders from Sephora, and I really, really like it. Like, it gives you volume and length, and I might have to buy it, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye, and then I'll be back and do the rest of my face. Okay, so both eyes are done now. Now we're going to get on to contouring and blush and highlighter. So I am going to use the Shade and Light contour palette, and I'm going to use the shade Sombre, and using the Kat Von D Shade and Light brush, using this angled one right there, and just lightly contour my face. Yeah, let's do some blush. And I'm going to be using the Morphe Pop of Pink little trio. And I think I'm going to use Rule Breaker right here. And where's my brush at? There it is. And I use the JH04 angled blush brush. And lightly apply some blush on my cheeks. Okay. And then I like to take my JH03 brush and just kind of blend this out a little bit, make it look more flawless. Okay. Using the Jaclyn, the Flash highlighting highlighting palette, I'm going to use Gleam and Sparks. Just this one and this one. And where's my brush? There it is. Using the R36 brush. And then that only took like a century to find the freaking lip liner that I wanted. So I bought the Bow and Arrow by Kat Von D Everlasting Lip Liner because they were out of Lolita, and that was the one that I washed in the washing machine. I'm not sure how that happened, but I'm very, very disappointed. So I'm going to use this shade right here and line my lips. Not sure if I want to put a gloss on top of it. Okay, I'm going to use this Cocoa by Kylie Cosmetics gloss in Damn Gina, and it's like a nude gloss. Kind of swatch it on my hand there. Really pretty color. I'm going to top that over this lip liner. Drop everything on the floor. Alright, I think this is it. This is the finished look. So let me know what you think down below. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you really, really soon. Bye.